Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain to you e07 West Point front loader 6 kg washing machine. What is the e07? It means what kind of spare parts, accessories we have to check, we have to change. And now I am going to show you what is the exactly problem with the e07, what is the mean e07. Now we will go to the next step. This one I'm selecting any option. Before selecting it showing E07. Now you can see here it is continuously occurring E07. That's mean actually related with the pressure sensor or pressure water pressure. Everything is related. Now we have to check, first of all we have to check pressure sensor. Now we will open the top cover and we will check pressure sensor. It is whether damage or any contact it's came out or something. Anyway, we have to check properly. After that we will try to resolve this issue. First we have to off the power switch. After that whatever we can do. Now we will remove the top cover like that. Now here we can check here pressure sensor. Now you can see here this is the pressure sensor. Now we have to check properly connector. We will remove here also this connector, and no any problem localize, it is like a new. But anyway we will replace this pressure sensor and we will check with another pressure sensor. And temporary we will keep like that also. We will keep here and we will fix this one. I have in the same pressure sensor, you can see here. This is same pressure sensor. The part number everything is as same. This is DC 5 volts, 5 volt. This one part number also, this one part number as same. That means same pressure sensor. Now we will do one thing, we will give the connection here. And we will check. Now we will check with the power, and I will give the connection. Now I will select again pre-wash cycle. Yes my dear, now it is machine start to work, but I didn't give water connection. Anyway, problem with the pressure sensor only. Now we have to fix permanently. That's mean this pressure sensor having problem, that one not working. That's why it's showing error E7. Now we know the problem, no need to go ahead anymore. Just simply we replace the pressure sensor. After that our problem already got resolved. Now we have to fix permanently pressure sensor. We have to fix this air tube to the pressure sensor. After that we can finish our job. Now already fixed tube also, pressure tube I already fixed to the pressure sensor. Now I will fix permanently here. Also we will fix top cover also. Now it's okay, I fixed already. Now I will give the power connection again. and I will select direct spin cycle here, and I will start the machine. Now door already got lock, machine also running, no any issue. Problem with the pressure sensor only, that's why it's showing e07. If you are occurring the same issue, you have to replace, just simply you have to replace the pressure sensor. Sometime it's getting oxide or something, but in this machine no any oxided connector with the pressure sensor. Because of that, I replaced the pressure sensor. Now machine is running well. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.